You look like a king. I don't have nothing to talk about you, because when I go for her, it will be so emotional. Thank you for being the pillar of my career, the pillar of the bedroom where I sleep, my brother. You people fear to talk about your age. My dear friends, I'm just 5 years away to 50. Muzaini yake meka? Okweza meka? Bajita silver jubilee. You know, abachara baina bababulira basinga. But with the boys, nobody teaches you. You hustle it out yourself. The biggest aspect of life is being alive. And I was trying to rethink celebrating my birthday because I lost a brother. Then I know that Agamba, no. In life we have celebrations. One celebration is birth, right? And the other celebration is death. I am a troublemaker. I am a peacemaker. I am a love maker. I am a heartbreaker. I am a pioneer. Full package. Combo. Cocktail of living. There's a guy recently who asked me, why Chameleone? And I asked him, what do you mean? Agamba, my name is Joseph Chameleone because I am full of diversity. But some funny Ugandans with their little education say I'm Chameleone. No. I am Joseph Chameleone because of diversity. And everybody, I don't want to get emotional, I'm totally emotional. And this is the last birthday I'm celebrating. My next birthday is when I'm 50. Sexy. Man full of colors. But I know God was sexy. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for knowing for me to watch Rose and Tuli Babanda. You can touch your complete whenever. But blog about Tulava. Weasel Manizo. Where you see Weasel, you see Chameleone. My brother, you are a special material. These are words from your small brother, supposed to be reversed to him. Mama, Chameleone, you are the strongest. You are the wickedest. You are the shootest. I don't want you to lose hope because they want to see us down. They want to see us sit our ass down. And for the reason, if you love Jose Chameleone, let me see you say, oh yeah. Special material. When we lose him, we won't get another. Tell me, have we ever got another radio? Twafuna radio mulala. So let's respect what we have. Big, bigger, excellent, everything. I love you, my brother.